Hello everyone, I wanted to show you this cool study we just did with a thermal gun showing how the Rod Centralizer is working and actually isolating temperature from your packing. So you can see here, this is your flow tee. Average is about 135, 136 degrees consistently of flow going down our flow line. You go to where the Rod Centralizer is, actually it's sealed, it drops about 22 degrees, almost a full 25 degrees on average. You go to your packing, it even drops further because you've sealed all the fluid into your flow line, all the friction. So now you're down almost 30 plus degrees. And once you get to the polish rod, it's right around high 90s to 100 degrees. So the Rod Centralizer, being in the pumping system, reduces your temperature coming up the wellbore by, it looks like, 25 to 30%, which is pretty cool. So really neat. Another good selling point of this product.